When your Sceptre monitor shows no display, start with the most basic check, power. Look at the power LED indicator on your monitor. If the LED shows orange or amber, or if there's no light at all, try plugging the monitor into a different power outlet to rule out electrical issues. Next, inspect all cable connections. Check HDMI, VGA, and DisplayPort cables for any visible damage like bent pins, frayed wires, or loose connectors. Ensure all cables are securely connected at both ends, the monitor side and your computer or device side. Loose connections are a common cause of display problems. Test with known good cables and try different ports on both your monitor and computer. This helps determine if the issue is with a specific cable or port. Verify that the correct input source is selected on your monitor. Many monitors have multiple inputs, and the wrong selection is a frequent oversight. Connect your monitor to a different device, such as another computer or laptop. This helps isolate whether the problem is with the monitor itself or your original source device. Finally, if you suspect the monitor is receiving a signal but showing no image, try the flashlight test. Shine a bright flashlight on the screen while it should be displaying content. These diagnostic steps will help identify the most common causes of display problems. If these basic checks don't resolve the issue, more advanced troubleshooting may be needed. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced techniques can help identify and resolve monitor issues. Start by accessing the monitor's on-screen display menu, also known as the OSD menu. Factory Reset restores all monitor settings to their original defaults, which can resolve configuration conflicts and compatibility issues that may cause display problems. Check for available firmware updates from the manufacturer. Firmware updates can resolve compatibility issues with newer graphics cards and fix known bugs that cause display problems. If software solutions fail, hardware-level issues may be present. Common problems include blown capacitors and loose internal connections. Budget monitors like Sceptre often use lower-grade components that can fail after 3 to 5 years of use. Budget monitors typically use lower-grade components to reduce costs. These components are more prone to failure, especially capacitors in the power supply circuit, which commonly fail after several years of use. Prevention is key to extending monitor lifespan. Ensure proper ventilation around your monitor to prevent overheating. Use quality surge protectors to protect against power fluctuations that can damage internal components. Regular cleaning is essential. Dust accumulation in ventilation areas can cause overheating, leading to component failure. Clean your monitor's vents monthly to maintain proper airflow and temperature control. Watch for early warning signs that indicate potential monitor problems. Intermittent flickering, longer startup times, unusual noises, or display distortions can signal developing issues before complete failure occurs. Early detection allows for preventive action before complete failure. Address these warning signs promptly to avoid sudden monitor loss and potential data interruption. When facing monitor problems, consider the economics of repair versus replacement. If repair costs exceed 50% of a new monitor's price, replacement is typically more economical and provides better long-term value. Consider factors beyond just cost, including warranty coverage, energy efficiency, and feature improvements when making your decision. A new monitor often provides better reliability and modern features compared to an aging, repaired unit.